All right, Asa, do you have your little sleep paper ready? All right, so we're just gonna practice a couple of things and then get into our lesson. We're gonna move pretty quick today, trying to cover everything, yeah, before our not from leaving that.
This is a piece of muscle.
But it's not your turn, and you need to stop whining and complaining about things that are not even that serious. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the story problem, guys. So I would like a some went away story problem. Some went away, but I would like your answer to end with an even number. I would like your answer to be an even number. So a some went away story problem, but your answer has to be an even number. Let's see if you remember what even numbers are. You can go ahead.
Oh. I don't think so.
Probably can't take it. No, you need your notebook. I'm saying put those books, like your reading science books, that you don't need that. Keep your notebook out, but the other books you need to put up. You don't need those. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anybody done? Not yet? Still working? Okay, Asa, let me hear.
John had 3 rabbits, 1 hawk.
Okay, good. How many does he have remaining?
He has 2.
Good. That's an even number. Good. Okay, anybody else is ready? Okay, Tevin.
I had 2 apples. I took 2.
Okay, I had 2 apples and I took 2 apples. How many you have left? 2 minus 2. 0. Yes, 0 is an even number. And go to the bathroom. Okay, Micah.
Wait, what's the bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
I had 4 cups. I dropped 2 cups.
I have 4 cups and I dropped 2 cups. How many you have left?
2.
2. Good, and that's an even number. Okay, and last one, Braylee.
I lost 2.
I had 2 marbles and I lost 2 marbles. How many do you have now? 0. 0 is an even number. Good. All right, guys, let's do another story problem. Let's do some more this time. But this time, I want you to use a doubles fact for some more. Do you know what doubles facts are? That's the question. So a some more story problem using a doubles fact.
I forgot what.
Well, I know what to say.
So that the double fact.
Oh, okay. That's it. Then put all that up. Okay, where? Let me see.
What?
It's funny? Okay, so you need to do what you have to do. That's unacceptable. That's not gonna work. And put your science in your chair. Yeah, your science book in your chair. I mean it.
Not with a double X.
I don't know what you want me to say.
Here's the double X. I don't. I think this is
What today's date is? 14.
what is
All right, let's hear some of your story problems. Some more with the doubles fact. Okay, Kendall? Okay, he had 5 balls and then he got 5 more. 5 plus 5 is 10. Good. That's your doubles fact. Okay. Michael?
I have 100 bucks. I buy 100 more.
I had 100 balls. I bought 100 more. That's 200. Doubles fact. Okay. Asa?
Dave has 5 cats. He bought 5 more cats.
Okay, he had 5 hats, you said, and then he got 5 more. Okay, good. Okay, good. All right, one more. Elijah, go ahead.
Dad had 2 pins and 2 more pins. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, good. He had 2 pens, 2 more. 2 plus 2 is 4. Good, guys. So remember, doubles fact is adding the same number twice. That's your doubles fact. All right. Okay, we're not done. We'll probably be on the paper mostly today. It's just we're like reviewing / something like that. So anyway, all right. So next thing is we learn pairs on last week. Remember, guys, how many is a pair? It's a total of how many? 2. So when we draw something in a pair, we draw it in twos, right? Remember that. Okay, so listen to what I'm asking you to do. Can you draw me 5 pairs of socks? 5 pairs of socks. All right, let me see your pairs. Show it to me. Let's see. 5 pairs. Okay. Okay. All right, good. Okay, now listen to this. I would like you to draw me 7 socks. Draw me 7 socks. 7 socks. Listen to what I'm asking. 7 socks. 7 socks.
Yep.
Let's see. Okay.
Mine?
Okay, I didn't ask for 7 pairs. I asked for 7 socks. There's a difference. Let's see, Asa. So some of you did pairs. I didn't want pairs. I wanted socks. Single. Okay, so out of the 7 socks, go ahead and circle your pairs. How many pairs could I make out of the 7 socks?
3.
How many pairs could I make out of the 7 socks? How many? Tell me. 3 pairs. They have 1 left over. Can't make a pair because the pair is a total of 2. Awesome. All right, we're still on the paper, guys. We're not getting off the paper. I said that earlier. We're going to kind of work on this a little while. All right, let's go ahead and practice some coins. So you are going to draw them out today. So I will tell you what to draw, and you will draw it and count it. So you're going to draw it the same way that I normally do it. If I have a dime, remember, guys, I always write it, and then I put a what? 10 inside of it to remind myself that it's a dime. Or if it's a penny, I will draw the penny, and I put a 1. That's how you do it. So I'm going to tell you what to draw, and you just draw it out this way, okay? So let's look at the first one. I want you to draw 6 dimes. That's why they have a D. 6 dimes, 8 pennies. So you're going to draw 6 tens, 8 ones. Go ahead and try this one out. 6 dimes, 8 pennies. Take your time to make sure that you're writing the exact amount correctly. Also, put the number of how much it's worth inside of it. If it's a 10, you'll put a 10 inside of it. If it's a 1, you'll put a 1. That will help you to count it.
Wait, 6.
So that was 68 cents. Let's look at our next one. So we have 3 dimes and 5 pennies. So that's 3 tens, 5 ones, 3 dimes, 5 pennies. Draw this one out. All right, if we have this one written out, 3 dimes and 5 pennies. How much money should this one be? 3 dimes, 5 pennies?
35 cents.
35 cents. 35 cents. Good. All right, last one. We have 9 dimes and 2 pennies. 9 tens, 2 ones. You don't have to erase it every time. Just do it on the bottom. 9 dimes, 2 pennies.
That's why I'm not having enough space to get it at the bottom. 9 dimes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mariah, you went to the bathroom?
I went for bath.
Okay, take them bathroom.
Wait, 9 dimes and 2 pennies. Correct. Done. Wait, not done yet. Okay, since something. Correct. I know what it is.
All right. 9 dimes, 2 pennies. Carol, how much? 92 cents. Awesome. All right, guys, go ahead and draw these 2 shapes on your paper. This is the last thing we'll be doing. Draw those 2 shapes on your paper.
So this is the last thing we'll be doing?
Did I just say that? All right. I don't know what y'all gained out of repeating what I just said.
Okay, 2 shapes. I'm not gonna fit it. So I'm gonna do now. So what are we gonna do? A line symmetry?
Okay, so you have your 2 shapes. All right, so would you divide both shapes in half? Can you divide both shapes in half?
Yes, we could.
So go ahead and do that.
Correct. Carl, you don't know the symmetry? I never even get them back. Not even all in the front. Boy, you look like you were bored me. If you were all down the board, still asking. Okay, two players. Girl, boys. Board maker. Look at me, makers. Okay. You can't touch it.
No, no, no. You're not about to do that. No.
Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's.
All right, so let me see how you divide it in half. Okay, so remember, this is called making a fraction. Remember, a fraction is a part of a whole. So does anyone remember how to write a fraction? If I had to write the fraction on one side, does anyone remember what that fraction would look like? What does it look like when I write the fraction? What does it say? Close. You got the numbers backwards?
Two sides.
It will?
One out of
It's 1 out of 2. So remember, guys, so when you divide something in half, like we just did, your fraction on each side would say 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2. So go ahead and draw that 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2. 1 half on each side. 1 half, 1 half. Okay, and so we're going to start learning more fractions because half is not the only way we'll divide a shape. We may divide a shape into thirds, into fourths, into sixths, into eighths. So we need to know the fractions. So remember, your top number is how many pieces out of, the bottom number is how many pieces total. So this is 1 piece out of the 2. This is 1 piece out of the 2, okay? All right, so that's it for math. I just wanted to review a couple of those things. Let's go ahead and move on to our writing. So you can get out your letters book. We're learning letter D on today, page 47 in your letters book. All right, cursive letter, well, capital letter D on today. It's not just cursive, but it's capital letter D. That's what we'll be practicing. Okay, so again, it's page 47. Yeah, page 47. Noise. All right, so I'll go ahead and practice letter D a few times, and then you can practice on your own. Okay? So capital letter D, first thing is we start up here on the top line. It will slant all the way down. You do a small little loop towards the back, curve down, touch that bottom line, come back, close it. You kick out at the top. Capital D does not connect to anything. It does not connect. If you try to connect it, your letters are going to be way up here. So capital D does not connect. Again, slant down, small little loop, come around, close it. Small loop at the top, kick it out. All right, you can begin, guys. I'll give you all a few minutes to work on D. Y'all have any questions, Asa? Any questions about letter D? Nope. All right, you can begin. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and get into what our writing lesson is this week. So we've covered days of the week, months of the year. We've covered last week. We did the last 2 weeks. We did cities and states. So now we are going to move on to what's called the holidays. Does everyone know what a holiday is? It's usually a special day that is set on the calendar where it's the day where something is celebrated, right? So we are going to learn the holidays because holidays are considered proper nouns because they are the special name of a special day. So it is considered a proper noun. What that means is whenever we have the name of a holiday in a sentence, we have to capitalize that holiday. So we are going to learn a couple of the holidays. And we're going to learn how to write them properly in the sentence and how to capitalize them. Today, I just want to give you a list of holidays. Tomorrow, we'll practice those holidays in a sentence. But I want you to write them down today so that you can practice writing them. So again, the holidays. A holiday is a certain day that is celebrated. It has a special meaning some way, somehow. So it's a holiday it's a holiday. It's celebrated as a special day. It's a proper noun and it's capitalized. Okay? So let's look here at my list of holidays I have here. Y'all can go to the back of that paper that you have in back.
Stuff for my pencil.
Okay, so holidays. Do y'all have your verbs paper that I asked y'all to get instead of worrying about that? Check your binder because y'all should have took it home last week.
Yeah.
Throw it over, please. Okay, have a seat. All right, so holidays. So this is what you're gonna write on the top of your paper. Go to the back. Okay, so we have holidays. All right, so let's go through a list of the holidays that we would find on our regular calendar. So first one is Thanksgiving, which is celebrated next week on next Thursday. Thanksgiving is a holiday, and as you can see, it is capitalized. Thanksgiving. Next, we have Christmas. That's another holiday that is also celebrated. Or you could say Festival of Lights, but as far as the calendar, it will have Christmas on it. So, not gonna get into politics, holidays. Anyway, Christmas. New Year's, that's celebrated on January 1st. Oh, and Christmas is December 25th. New Year's is January 1st because that's the first day of a new year. And now look at how New Year's is split into two. Do you see how I capitalized both? Remember, just like when we talked about a city, New York City, it has to be capitalized each letter. So New Year's. Next, we have Passover. That is also a holiday celebrated. It's capitalized. Labor Day. This is celebrated in September. Labor Day. As you can see, I have capital L, capital D, Labor Day. Next, we have 4th of July. That is celebrated on July 4th. The 4th of July. July 4th. Look how it's capitalized. We have Juneteenth. It's another holiday that is celebrated. Capitalized. It's celebrated on June 19th. Juneteenth. And then we have Memorial Day, which is celebrated in May. It's the last Monday in May that Memorial Day is celebrated. Look at the capital letters. So today, I just want you to write down these holidays. Make sure you capitalize them. We're not going to do sentences today. I just want you to have a list of holidays in your mind. Because most people just know like Thanksgiving, Christmas, that's it. But there's way more holidays than just that. So go ahead, guys, and write these holidays down. So holidays are proper nouns. They are the special name of holiday. They are a special name of a special day, so it is capitalized. You can list them down. Proper noun. So that means when you write a holiday, it has to be capitalized. Okay? Proper nouns are holidays. Holidays are proper nouns, so we capitalize it when we write it, okay? All right, let's go ahead and move on to our phonics lesson. We're doing good. We have phonics, language, and then spelling, and we'll be done. We're working. I don't want to do afternoon Zoom, so we're going to get it all done in the beginning. All right, so let's go ahead and start with chart 6. 1 second, Asa, while they get it in here.
We're gonna do a lot of charts, Miss Fujin.
We're doing all the ones that we learned already.
But we're doing a lot. What about Cairo? Don't not David power down.
6.
David.
Oh, I don't have.
I was trying to knock it down.
Oh no, we did because I have already
Pencil.
more. It should be in there.
I'm gonna take no. Well, no. I'm giving you free. Oh, the other Cairo in this okay, then give him that.
No, put it please.
Super.
I think it's perfect. Yeah. All right, chart 6. Watch the word.
Now.
All right, let's begin. CK. CK says cup. In duck. E says in O says Y says I. AY says A in pray. ST says in stop. I'm just seeing who I hear because it don't sound like nobody's saying it.
And from in train.
SA says
In ship. And this BL says bull. And block. CL says cool. And clock. FL says full. And flake. GL says go and glue.
good. All right, chart 7.
Blue. My sister moved the chart out, and I didn't know which one we were going.
Okay. They get to the end of it, try to come and grab it now so that we're not waiting for you to grab the chart.
Okay, that means we have to go grab the charts. That's so when the other chapter person.
All right, let's begin. BR. BR says burr, 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 and brr. No, I said at the end of it.
Oh,
And drum. PR says
per,
and pray. GR says
gur, and grand. Says smoke.
C says
Cat.
cat. SK says
And skate. P says and spade. CR says cur, and crop. TW says and twins. SPA says spool, and splash.
the difference between the two.
R says and scream. STU says sport, and squeak. SN says and snack.
SN says and snack. SL says so, and sleep. STR says sure, and stream. SW says swah.
And swim.
Awesome. All right, let's look at chart 8.
Excuse me. That you fart. Yes. Look, LOOK, look. Look.
All right, let's go over chart 8. THR says third, and 3. AR says R, and SARS. CH says ch, and church. OR says or, and morning. OU says ow, and out. OW says ow, and owl. OW says o, and bow. R says and verse. UR says and nurse. IR says and bird. OI says oi and coin. OY says oi and boy. OO says and book. OO says ooh and tooth. WOR says were and worms. IGH says, what's the next one? I and night. ALL says all and ball. ALK says up and walk. All right, one more chart, chart 9. No, chart 9 is green.
It's a blue. It's a green, actually.
All right, chart 9, ing. ing says ing, and pointing. Kn says and not. Gn says and not. Ang says ang, and bang. Ing says ing, and king. Ong says ong, and long. UNG says and strong. ANK says ank, and bank. INK says ink, and wink. ONK says onk, and honk. UNK says unk, and trunk. WA says wah, and wash. A says and adopt. Y says and baby. LE says and little. ED says ed, and wanted. ED says and looked. ED says and played. Okay, so today we are going to learn our next suffix, which is ed, that says like in looks. Before we get to that, let's read a couple of words. All right, let's start us off. Asa, you can start us off. First one, what's my special sound in this word? F-A-R. Good. A-R-R. And what's the word?
Far.
Far. Good. Braylee, we're going to go down. Next one.
Yeah.
All right, Asa, next one. Here.
I want.
Good. If Michael would, thank you. I got it. Thank you. All right, what's the sound in this one?
Or.
Word, W-O-R, word. What's the word?
Word.
All right, and last one, guys. A-L-K, off. The word is? Talk. All right. All right, let's review how to mark a root word and suffix. So in spelling, how do I mark the root word? How do I mark the suffix? Underline the root word spell and circle suffix ing. The word is? Next one. How do I mark it? Shout. And how do I show the suffix? Ing. The word is? All right, so again, we're learning suffix ed that says s. Okay, so we underline the root word fish. Circle ed. The word is? Fish. Next, I have jump. Root word, underline it. Ed. The word is? Jumped. Then last one, underline root word click. Circle suffix. The word is? Clicked. Awesome. All right, let's review compound words. Remember, a compound word is when we have two small words that we put together to make a big word. Give me some examples of compound words. Pan, cake, pancake, book sack, pancake, book sack, rainbow. Good. And I know there's other examples, but good. I just wanted 3. All right, awesome. All right, get your pronouns paper out. We're going to add list 4 today. Pronouns paper, we're adding list 4. All right, so we're going to add list 4 pronouns to our list on today. So we have list 1, list 2, list 3. Okay, give me a second. Excuse me. Now we'll add list 4 to that.
2 more lists.
No, we don't. We only have 1. We have 5 lists.
Oh, I thought you had.
Okay. Well, what is a pronoun? Let's cover that first. What is a pronoun?
A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun.
Thank you, Kelly, for following my directions. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Pronouns will take the place of nouns. So we've covered list 1 pronouns, which take the place of your name. Does anyone have list 1 pronouns? Take the place of your name. What are they? I, me, my, and mine. And then we covered list 2 pronouns that take the place of the names of people. Instead of saying Tim or Sharon or saying their names, we can say there's more. Him, her. What are the other ones? His, he, she. Good. So he, she, him, her, his, and hers. These are all examples of pronouns that take the place of the names of people. Last week we covered list 3, which takes the place of you and someone together. What pronouns do we use in place of you and someone together? We, us, our, and ours. So this week, list 4, we're going to cover list 4 and list 5, but I'll introduce list 5 tomorrow because it's really easy. So list 4 pronouns will take the place of a group of people. So you are not in this group. This is a group of people. Like if I would say Tom, Ben, Harry, that's a group of people. You are not in this group. If you are in the group, you would say we, us, our, ours. But list 4 covers a list of pronouns that are for a group of people. So instead of me saying Tim, John, and Bob went to play baseball, instead of saying all 3 of their names, I would say they went to play baseball. They. So they is one pronoun we use in the name in the place of someone's name. They. Okay. So now let's do another one.
I barely can see the orange. It's so shiny.
Oh. Okay. So if I would say the baseball and mitts were for Bob, Tom, and Jim. Instead of saying Bob, Tom, and Jim, I can say the baseball mitts were for them. Them is another one we use for a group of people. Instead of saying all of their names, we can say them. Okay, so another thing, so instead of saying that is Sue and Dan's colors, that is, what could I say? Instead of saying those are Sam and Dan's colors, Sue and Dan's colors, I can say that is, Asa?
Their color.
Their colors. And then one more. Another way I could say that same sentence, instead of saying that is their colors, I can say the colors are Sue and Dan's, but instead of saying Sue and Dan's, I can say the colors are
Them.
no, I already got them.
Theirs.
Theirs. Okay, so these are all examples of pronouns that take the place of the names of a group of people. So if there are people that are together, you are not in this group. This is a group separate from you. You would put these 4 pronouns: they, them, their, theirs. They, them, their, and theirs. Okay, so guys, write this down. List 4. List 4 pronouns will take are for our group of people. It replaces all their names, and it's a certain pronoun you put.
Write the list down. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's my boy. Scared me, boy. Why you always say that? Boy.
Some people not playing today. We will practice list 4 inside of our sentences, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go over our spelling list, and then we are done for the day. So we will not have to meet this afternoon, Asa, after we finish our spelling. We don't have science, social studies this week, and no reading this week, so we don't need to meet the afternoon. All right, so our list is pretty easy this week, list 12, because it's the O-O sounds. So this is a pretty simple list.
Sounds. O-O sounds.
Page 24, list 12. And your spelling, list 4. I'm sorry, list 12, page 24. So these are the O-O, O-O, ooh. Yeah, pretty easy list. All right, guys. right, so let's begin. So first one, book.
B-O-O-K, book.
Look.
Look, L-O-O-K.
Good.
Good, G. Good.
Foot.
Foot, F-O-O-T.
Wood.
W-O-O-D, wood.
Shook.
S-H-O-O-K, shook.
Boot.
Boot, B-O-O-T, boot.
Boot. Food.
Food, F-O-O-D, food.
Wait, y'all. Loose.
Loose,
L-O-O-S-E. Loose. Moon.
moon, M-O-O-N, moon.
Room.
Room, R-O-O-M, room.
Roof. Wait for me. Roof.
Roof, R-O-O-F, roof.
Tooth.
T-O-O-T-H, tooth.
Have.
H-H-E, have.
Okay. Give.
G-I-F-D-E, give.
Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and look at your Greek and Latin for this week. So your two Greek words. One is kinesis. K-I-N-E-S-I-S. Kinesis. And it means movement. Okay. And then phone. P-H-O-N-E, phone. Yes, it looks just like phone, guys, but it's pronounced phone. But if you say phone, that's fine. Okay, and that means sound. Obviously, we get sound from a phone. Okay, so kinesis means movement and phone means sound. Your Latin word this week is jungo. J-U-N-G-O. Jungo, and it means join. Jungo means join, kind of similar to FIGO last week. FIGO last week. Yeah, last week we had FIGO, which means fixed or attached. Okay, so these are your words. So you will have a total of 18 words again. But when we come back from Thanksgiving break, we're moving on to 20 words. So again, Greek word is kinesis, means movement. Phone means sound. And then we have jungo, which means join. Okay, so that is it, guys. We covered everything we need to cover, ASA. So we do not have our afternoon Zoom on today. Okay, so you can complete all your workbook pages and everything that's assigned today. All right. All right, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow for Bible. Bye-bye.